Hello and welcome. This week I show you how to create this patch. This is my result without the top effects. And as an alternative, I created some effects that I think suit this texture. It is a 3D shape and has a lot of potential to create various shapes, so let's start. Add a torus and turn it into geometry with light and camera and render. Add SOP transform and rotate the torus. Go to Matte and add line. Apply it to the geometry. Go to Line tab and turn off Draw Line. The From Vector tab turn on Draw Vectors. Adjust the size and scale of vectors and the touros so get something like this. Add a noise SOP and decrease exponent. I decreased the vector width and scale. Okay, go to the next steps. Add a feedback loop. Feedback top and level, add it to render, and drop add on feedback target top. Decrease a bit of opacity. Add a top noise and connect the render to the source input, and from Output tab change RGB to noise. Add displace and connect this noise and the top. Make sure you connect them to the proper input. Decrease displace weight. Go to the top noise and animate it. Go to Transform tab and give the expression to translate Z-axis. Make it slower. Change the parameters of top noise to something you like. It is displacing with the feedback and indicates the movement of it. It's possible to change the parameters of top and SOP noises and torus, and even you can animate them with LFO or time expressions. Add slope and composite it with the top noise. Change operation to average. Replace this composite on the displace instead of the noise. Change displace weight and its midpoint to get something you think is right. Add lookup, ramp and create a gradient with some colors. Instead of adding a bloom after it, I got a blur from the top before lookup and added bloom to it. Then composite it with the lookup. I think all operations of composite are beautiful in this case. Add level before out. Adjust level, bloom and composite parameters. Change colors and shapes and have fun. See you.